Quality or quantity? Hello YouTubeator. This is a question all YouTubeators are asking when they first start. Should I choose quality over quantity? This means, should I try to put out as many videos as I can even if it compromises the quality? Or should I focus on making high quality videos even if I publish one every month? Good question, right? When we did our research, we came across multiple pieces of advice from different experiences, but something in particular caught our attention. A number: 33 videos. According to YouTube automation experts, you should publish 33 videos as fast as you can even if the quality is questionable. From this moment, you can focus on quality. And as we saw, many new YouTubeators picked this strategy and met success. Actually, 33 is some kind of framework. When you make 33 videos, you have enough data to see what videos are performing well and double down on them. It gives you direction to move forward. From our humble perspective, we should ideally find the sweet spot between quality and quantity. Don't seek perfection and spend weeks on the same video. Once you have the feeling your video is publishable, next. So either you wait for 33 videos to make an audit and try to understand what videos are being more linked than others, or you pick another number. You should focus from the beginning on finding a balance between quality and quantity. Subscribe for more straight-to-the-point information about YouTube automation. I bet you too have a question. Write it down in the comments below, we'll be happy to reply. If you like this short video, you would absolutely love the following one.